After yesterday's very test video of the iPhone 15 Pro Max from Geek Revenge made many of the iPhone lovers disappointed. But today I have some good news for all the iPhone lovers. Another very test of the iPhone 15 Pro Max has shown impressive results. Every single model in the iPhone 15 lineup offers better battery life than their predecessor based on this test. Tom's Guide put the iPhone 15, 15 Plus, 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max through the very test, which involves continuous web surfing over 150 nits of the screen brightness. The iPhone 15 Plus and the 15 Pro Max rose to the top. The 6.1-inch iPhone 15 reportedly packs a 3349 mAh battery based on the regulatory listings. That would be slightly bigger than the 3279 mAh battery in the iPhone 14. And yet, we saw a very big jump in runtime. On the Tom's Guide test, the iPhone 15 lasted 11 hours and 5 minutes, which is about an hour and a half longer than the iPhone 14. This time also beats the regular Galaxy S23 with its screen in adaptive mode. But the S23 lasted an even longer 11 hours and 20 minutes with its screen in 60Hz mode. The iPhone 15 also has a 60Hz refresh rate. The Google Pixel 7 endured for only 7 hours and 14 minutes, so it's not even in the same ballpark. This is what happened when you spend the extra $100 for the iPhone 15 Plus over the regular iPhone 15. Based on the testing, iPhone 15 Plus lasted a very impressive 14 hours and 14 minutes compared to just another 12 hours for the iPhone 14 Plus. So we are talking about 2 hours longer. The Galaxy S23 Plus lasted 11 hours 24 minutes in adaptive mode and 12 hours 8 minutes in 60Hz mode. So that's about 2 hours behind the iPhone 15 Plus. The OnePlus 11 lasted a max of 13 hours and 10 minutes, so an hour less than the Apple's device. The iPhone 15 Pro turned in the lowest battery life in the testing. The handset lasted 10 hours and 53 minutes only, which is 40 minutes longer than the iPhone 14 Pro. That's not bad, as it's an hour or so ahead of the average smartphone's time on the Tom's Guide test, but we consider great battery life to be the 11.5 hours or longer. Still, the iPhone 15 Pro lasted about 3 hours longer than the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Now, we are going to talk about the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is the Pro model to get from Apple if you want serious staying power. We saw 14 hours and 2 minutes of battery life in testing, which is a bit shorter than the iPhone 15 Plus, but more than 20 minutes longer than the iPhone 14 Pro Max. According to the Tom's Guide, no other major flagship phone they have tested offers this much endurance, so clearly the slightly larger battery helped. If you prioritize battery life, I would buy the iPhone 15 Plus or the 15 Pro Max. You will pay more for these phones than the smaller versions, but you won't be reaching for the outlet as soon during your day, and that's worth a lot to many. Now, are you guys happy with the iPhone 15 Pro Max battery life? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Also, I will buy iPhone 15 Pro Max as soon as possible and I will do a battery test by myself. So that's it for today. Now, what are your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. As always, I will see you in the next video. Peace out.